Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to chats or your profile. This saves time. Once there, search the friend by username or scan recent chats, then tap their Bitmoji or avatar to open their profile. On that screen, look for any visible personal fields. Snapchat sometimes shows a birthday label if the friend has added it. If you don't see it, make sure you are viewing the full profile, not just the quick pop-up. More details appear on the expanded page. Once done, expand their profile fully and tap the 3 dots or more to reveal extra fields. You want to inspect the About section because Snapchat only shows a birthday if the user entered it. This is why you may not find it every time. If it's present, note the date and exit. If it's absent, consider checking mutual profile links or asking them directly in chat. Explain why you'd like to know. People often respond when asked politely and with context. If the birthday remains hidden, send a brief, friendly message asking for the date. Say you're planning a surprise or calendar reminder. Meanwhile, check mutual platforms like Instagram or Facebook or any profile links they've pinned. People often list birthdays there. If profiles look broken or details disappear, make sure your Snapchat is up to date. Clear the app cache and restart. If that fails, reinstall. These steps fix most display issues, and if not, simply ask the friend directly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.